Hi, my name is AJ Peterson, and I'm a technical sales consultant with Televic US. We're at lovely InfoComm 2025 in sweaty Orlando, Florida. And what you have in front of you here is our Confidea tabletop, which truly shows a full, complete, integrated solution from Televic. And we want to show off how all of our products are completely mix and match and interchangeable. Everything from our new Unite assistive listening and wireless microphone presentation system to our flagship Flex discussion devices, both in wired and wireless, all the way up to our multimedia devices, Unicast, which is a full webcam, HD video display, microphone, and loudspeaker built in. And then if you come over here, you can see we have our wireless offerings, Confidea Flex Wireless, with our battery, 1RU 10-slot battery charger, networkable. Our wireless devices offer dual battery slots for a 12-hour runtime on each battery, total runtime of 24 hours. It offers local USB-C charging, so you can power the device. And of course, an RFID card reader, so you can use your student badge or your corporate ID. These are actually our hotel keys that double as our RF badge. We have little stickers on our devices to again reiterate, we have a warehouse in Washington, D.C., fully stocked with gear, and we are shipping now and every day. I did jump over, we're doing a spy theme this year, our e-ink nameplates. We like to point out that these are hot swappable. You can log in and load your name, but they're also completely standalone and don't need to be powered at all to have that display. And other than that, if you'd like more information on Televic or any of our products, please go to televic.com. Thank you.